going to show the moss design now. And this is also super quick and easy. We're going to sort of make something like that, but I always like to create something a little bit different. So, because I want to give this an absolute nature feel, just really reminisce of either a park or ideal would be something like Utah or California, but we're going to do more of a New York scene, kind of New York Park scene. So I'm going to start with some soil, just kind of to feel the look, just to give it that kind of look, right? Because we always have first soil on the ground. Next, we're going to put the grass, so the moss. And I'm just going to kind of put all the different kinds of moss around down like that. And this is the reindeer moss. And I'm just really just going to kind of sprinkle it around. And now I'm going to put my little elements. I want to put the stone that I found in the park. And I'm probably just going to lean that forward just so you can see that gorgeous, oh, that spark, I love it. So maybe just put it just like that. Oh, I'm going to take also a piece of bark, and I'm going to lean, yeah, that looks cool, I'm going to lean that back like that. I'm going to even take, I have this moss here, which is like a red, just to add a little color. That could look actually pretty cool here. Yes, indeed it does. And I'm going to add some of my stones as well, just in the front. I want to give that a little bit, yeah, that looks cool. And just a little bit of these tiny little stones. I'm going to put that just in the front. And I'm going to put in maybe this tree. Yep, just kind of like that. No. Normally I would like it, but I don't like it because of the red, so I'm going to take actually that red out, even though that looks pretty, but I want to leave this all green today. So I'm going to put some more of this moss in here, and I'm going to just put it around there. And I'm going to put the tree up here, this little imitation tree. Let's see how that looks. Go. So I'm pushing the moss down as grass. Oops. So I have it just like that. Now, you could really just leave it like this if you want. You don't have to always put so much in the designs, but I'm going to add a little more moss to kind of hold that in place. And yeah, initially I could totally leave it like that. Or take this tree out and put my red moss back in and just kind of play around with that. Add a few more stones. Give it a little bit more of outdoor feel. And just give it a bit of, different, oh, that looks cool. Actually, I like that. And I'm going to add another piece of bark, maybe just around, no, I'm not. Maybe, I actually really just like it like that, I gotta say. Probably, I'm gonna leave it like that. And what I'm gonna put in is my lava stone. And for this, I'm going to put in the fir needle essential oil. So I'm gonna put the fir needle essential on the lava stone because that keeps it the best. And I'm just gonna put that right in here. So when I close that up, that already smells so good. Do you see, just replicates and mimics nature and has a little bit of color. Really beautiful, simple, chic, and just stylish. And you open that up, you're really using your five senses to enjoy nature. So I hope everybody enjoyed all the different series of our terrarium designs, and available for, well, not now, but hopefully when everything will be over, team building, corporate events, for schools. I'd love to get it into the schools. I'd like to work also with the medical community to prescribe ecotherapy, nature as medicine, plant therapy, terrariums, aromatic botanicals, flowers, and all that good stuff. So also for hotels, guest experiences when we're going to be back to socializing. And soon I'll also be offering these as online courses and also mini kits. But for now, everybody, stay well.